Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Um, Today I want to cover how to leverage these kind of onions. I'm pretty sure that every kitchen sometime might be having these kind of onions. Those are those look healthy and sprouted, or they are rotten like this with all soft around. I also have one more. This is just getting a sprout off, and this is dying also. So the sprout is not healthy. Don't throw these away ever. Don't trash them. Just bury these in a container if you have, or if you have a backyard or front yard. Just dig a hole and bury these for three benefits. Okay, the three benefits are you can harvest the leaves to use them fresh in salads, guacamole, or even you can cook them. You can leave them. So usually here, if you see, there are two different plants. This is going to grow as two plants and then produce two new onions. So it doesn't make sense to bury a healthy onion to get a new one, but if it is all rotten and could not be used, then bury these to have two more new healthy onion to use, or you can harvest these sprouts. So I have one plant that has grown from the rotten onion. I have it beside, let me show you. Here it is. Look, I buried one rotten onion here, and you can see how many total, 4 onions. So if you leave this until it is mature, you can harvest 4 new onions. You can harvest these leaves, cut and use them if you want. And the third use of this is, so these are the flowers, onion flowers. If you leave them alone, they bloom and start producing seeds to grow new onion. So you get it. The 3 advantages are harvesting fresh leaves, harvesting bulbs by waiting until the maturity, or leaving them to sprout like this to gather the seeds. So this is the root side, back side. You have to bury it like this down to allow it grow roots. Onions would not take a lot of place to grow, so it's okay to bury these closer. It's okay to close them entirely if the green is not popped up yet. It will push the ground to grow out. So, but if you have greens already sprouted, you don't want to bury them. These don't really need water immediately, so don't worry about watering them immediately, like when we plant some seedlings or plants. That's it. So hope you learned a new tip. Don't ever throw these kind of onions, but use them.